Hi, today I'd like to go through how you can print multiple layout pages in Autocad. Okay, you can see from my working drawing, I already have 4 pages set up in my layout spaces. Usually the conventional method, you will pull out the plot command and print one page by one page, which will take up a lot of time if you have more than 10 or 100 pages. So the quickest way, you just go to print page plot. As you can see from the command, you can see all the sheet names already displayed. You can delete those pages that's not required for your final print drawing. You can see all my sheets already arranged accordingly, or you want to change the sequence with this up and down arrow. I'll publish my drawing in PDF format. Once all settings are done, you just click on publish and you select the file name that you want to save. Okay, once the command disappeared, it is already start printing the drawings in the background. So during this meantime, you can save your drawing. You can continue to draw whatever you want with your drawing. If not, you can just switch off your drawings and just wait for the drawings to be printed. Okay, it is still printing. Okay, now it's already done. You can see all 4 pages already printed and layout according to your sequence. Okay, thanks guys. If you have any queries or comment, please leave at my YouTube page.